Hi everybody, Lev here with the Tips team. This year event tutorial helps division staff secure their Google profiles. In a few simple steps, we'll show you how to declutter your account by signing out of old connected devices, disconnecting from forgotten third-party apps, and deleting any unused extensions. Have peace of mind with this purposeful habit, adding that extra layer of security to your division account. And with that being said, let's get started. Before we jump into today's topic, remember to hit that subscribe button on our YouTube channel and be sure to swing by each week for a fresh new after school tech tip video. If you want to connect with the Tips team and explore our team's technology information, processes, and playlists we offer, be sure to visit us at tips.epsb.ca. Over the school year, it's completely normal to sign into different smart boards, borrow loaner laptops or Chrome devices, try new teaching apps, or, of course, the beloved swapping out of personal smartphones. Today's goal is just to clean up some of your digital clutter. So this is going to ensure nobody accidentally accesses your emails, drive, or perhaps a confidential document when you're not paying attention. So for today's video, we're going to look at three quick areas. The first, logging out of old devices. Second, removing access for applications that you don't use anymore, or perhaps that you may have signed up for by accident. And of course, last but not least, cleaning up any of your old Chrome extensions. So let's just get right into things for today. So first, we're going to open up our Chrome browser, which you can see here as my primary screen. We're going to look at the top right-hand corner of our screen and click on our profile picture. And if you don't have one, you'll probably see an initial as your logo in the top right corner. So once I select that, we're going to find a button that's called Manage Your Google Account. So just click that once. We're going to look at some of the different buttons on this left-hand nav bar here and click on Security and Sign In. It's going to scroll down to where you see the area called Your Devices. And so this is going to give you a list of every device that you've logged into your division profile with. That could be, as I said, like your mobile device, a Chromebook, a Windows device, a MacBook, whether you logged in from a school device or from your personal device at home or just somewhere else in the world. So if I want to remove one of those, I'm just going to click on Manage Devices. It will give me a list of all of my active sessions. I see over here, oh, this one specific one looks a little bit suspicious to me, or maybe I haven't used it for a long time. I can simply click it once and then prompt the Google profile to sign out of that. And then that gives me the option to sign that out. And then all of a sudden, it's gone from my list. So that brings us into our next section about cleaning up third-party applications. We try out different quiz makers and edtech tools all the time, but if you've decided not to use them, it's going to be important to revoke their access to your Google Drive and if you have any rosters connected to your Google Classrooms. You're actually going to stay right here in the same security page. But I'm going to scroll back here so that we can find security over here. And then we are going to scroll down a bit further until we find third-party applications and services. So I'm going to keep scrolling down here. And so these are our linked applications right over here. So this is my full list by clicking this button here at the bottom. And so with that being said, I can look at any application that I'm not using anymore and I can click delete any of the connections. I don't want to do that with every single application as I use these quite frequently. But let's say I had no more use for, let's say, this label maker one. I could simply click it once, click on this delete all button, click confirm, and then my connections have been severed from that specific application. Finally, let's check your Chrome extensions. Extensions are great for things like screen recording, but if you have too many running in the background, your computer is going to lag. So for this one, we're going to look at the top right corner of our Chrome browser, and we're going to click on the icon that looks like a little transparent puzzle piece. And so at the bottom of that menu, you're going to see a button that's called Manage Extensions. And that's going to pop up and give you a list of every extension that you've installed so far. Some of these have been pushed out by the division, and then some have been pushed out by you or have been installed by you specifically. And so any of the ones that you were able to remove, you'll see that you'll be prompted to click on the remove button for any of those and then proceed accordingly. So for example, I have Grammarly installed here. I've clicked on remove. I click on remove, and then it disappears from my profile altogether. We hope you found today's after-school tech tip helpful. For more information, please contact the Tips team or visit tips.epsb.ca. To stay updated on upcoming after-school tech tip videos, subscribe to our channel.